Most car owners spend hundreds every year on fixes, cleanups, and services that cost almost nothing to handle at home. The problem is nobody ever shows you the cheap version before someone tries to sell you the expensive one. Here are the 15 best car hacks I personally recommend to every client who asks me how to stop bleeding money at the garage. Some of these come out of your kitchen. Some take under 2 minutes. All of them work. Number 15. The cooking spray door hinge fix. Squeaky door hinges make a car feel old even when everything mechanical is fine. Owners either ignore it for years or get talked into a lubrication service at $40 to $60. The fix is cooking spray, literally the same can in your kitchen. Open the door fully, spray a short burst into the hinge knuckle, swing the door a few times to work it in, then wipe the excess off. The squeak disappears almost immediately. A can costs less than $3 and handles every hinge on the car with room to spare. Number 14. The Black Shoe Polish Trim Restore. Faded black plastic trim makes a well-maintained car look neglected. Trim restorer products run $15 to $30 and often fade after a few washes. The cheap fix is plain black shoe polish, the paste kind. Apply a small amount to the faded trim, work it in evenly, leave it a minute, then buff off the excess. The trim goes dark immediately. It lasts several weeks and costs almost nothing. A tin costs $2 to $4, compared to $40 restorer products or $80 to $150 at a detail shop. Number 13. The Peanut Butter Sticker Remover. Old stickers leave residue that attracts dirt and looks awful. Chemical removers cost $10 to $15 and sometimes damage the surface underneath. The trick is peanut butter. Spread a small amount over the residue, let it sit 2 or 3 minutes, then wipe with a microfiber cloth. The natural oils break down the adhesive without attacking the surface. It works on glass, paint, and plastic trim. Most households already have a jar. Cost is effectively zero. Number 12. The Baby Wipe Dashboard Refresh. Car interiors get dusty and greasy faster than people expect, and owners feel like the whole cabin needs a $80 to $150 detail. The cheap version is unscented baby wipes. Run one over the dashboard, console, door cards, and steering wheel. They pick up dust, light grease, and surface grime immediately, leaving plastic looking clean without being oily. Not a substitute for a deep clean, but an excellent 5-minute reset. A pack costs $2 to $3 and lasts weeks. Number 11. The Hand Sanitizer Frozen Lock Fix. In cold weather, people reach for de-icer spray at $6 to $10, or worse, pour hot water over the door and risk cracking the seal. The fix is hand sanitizer. The high alcohol content drops the freezing point of the ice in the lock instantly. Put a small amount on your key, work it into the lock, and within seconds the ice breaks down. You already have it in your bag or glove box. It does the exact same job as dedicated lock de-icer because it uses the exact same active ingredient. Number 10. The Rubber Glove Pet Hair Remover. Pet hair in fabric seats is almost impossible to vacuum out. Detailers charge $50 to $100 for removal because it is genuinely time-consuming with the wrong tools. The right tool is a damp rubber glove. Put one on, dampen it slightly, and run your hand across the seat in short, firm strokes. The rubber creates static friction that pulls hair into clumps you can pick up and discard. It reaches into the fabric weave in a way that vacuum attachments simply do not. The gloves cost almost nothing and last for dozens of cleanups. Number 9. The WD-40 Water Stain Remover. Water stains around door handles and the boot lid make a clean car look like it has not been washed in months. The cheap fix is WD-40. Spray a small amount onto a microfiber cloth and wipe it over the stained area. The solvents lift the mineral deposit off the clear coat without scratching. Wipe clean with a dry cloth immediately after. Always apply to the cloth first, never directly onto painted surfaces. That one step keeps the result clean and prevents uneven application. Number 8. The Coffee Filter Interior Glass Cleaner. Interior windscreen haze is made worse by using the wrong cloth. Paper towels leave lint. Rags smear. Even some microfiber cloth streak because they pick up residue over time. The fix is a plain white coffee filter. Use it dry or with a little glass cleaner, wiping in straight overlapping lines. Coffee filters are lint-free, slightly abrasive enough to lift haze, and cheap enough to throw away after one use. A pack of 100 costs $2 to $3. You use about 2 per clean. Number 7. The Petroleum Jelly Rubber Seal Saver. Door seals and boot seals dry out, crack, and start letting in wind noise and water, leading to $80 to $200 in replacement parts plus labor. The cheap preventative is petroleum jelly. Apply a thin layer to all your door and boot seals twice a year. It keeps the rubber flexible, stops cracking, and makes the doors close with a noticeably tighter seal. A tub costs $2 and lasts years of twice-yearly applications. Seal replacement is one of the most avoidable expenses on an aging car. Number 6. The Toothbrush Vent Cleaner. Air vents are one of the dustiest places in a car and hardest to clean because the slats are narrow and awkwardly angled. A clean dry toothbrush run firmly along each slat dislodges compacted dust that no cloth or vacuum nozzle reaches. Follow with a quick wipe and the vents go from gray to clean in minutes. Clogged vents restrict airflow, making your blower motor work harder and your climate system perform worse. Old toothbrush, zero cost, immediate result. Number 5. The Hairdryer Bumper Dent Fix. Small shallow dents in plastic bumpers send people to body shops for quotes that ruin their afternoon. Plastic bumpers are designed with flex built in, meaning certain dents are not actually set. Aim a hairdryer at the dented area on medium heat for 60 to 90 seconds, then push firmly from behind with your hand. The material often pops back toward its original shape as it softens. Immediately cool the area with a bag of ice to set it. It does not work on sharp creases or deep damage, but for soft round dents from parking bollards or trolleys, try this before spending anything. Total cost is $0. Number 4. The Nail Polish Paint Chip Fix. Stone chips let moisture reach bare metal and start the rusting process. Touch-up paint from the dealer costs $20 to $40. For small chips where the goal is sealing the metal rather than a perfect color match, clear nail polish works well. Clean the chip, let it dry completely, apply a small drop with a brush, let it cure, then apply a second coat. It seals the exposed metal, stops moisture getting in, and is invisible from normal viewing distance on darker cars. A bottle costs $2 to $4. Number 3. The Baking Soda Carpet Odor Fix. Bad smells live inside carpet fibers, not just on the surface. Air fresheners mask it temporarily. Detailers charge $60 to $120 for odor elimination using the same basic chemistry you can apply yourself. Sprinkle baking soda generously across the carpet and floor mats. Leave it at least 2 hours, ideally overnight. Then vacuum thoroughly. Baking soda neutralizes the acidic compounds causing most organic odors instead of masking them. A large box costs $1 to $2 and covers the whole interior twice over. Number 2. The Olive Oil Leather Conditioner. Leather seats dry out and crack because people either ignore them or buy $20 to $40 products that get used twice. Cracked leather on the driver's seat drops resale value before a buyer even looks at the mileage. A small amount of olive oil on a soft cloth, worked gently into the leather in circular motions, then buffed off with a dry towel, moisturizes the hide and temporarily restores suppleness. Use very little, too much leaves seats greasy. Dedicated leather conditioner is still the better long-term option, but olive oil costs effectively nothing and does a genuinely decent job. Number 1. The Clear Nail Polish Windscreen Chip Repair. A small chip spreads. Vibration, temperature changes, and car washes turn a minor chip into a crack that runs halfway across the glass, turning a $30 repair into a $200 to $500 replacement. The immediate fix the moment you notice a chip is clear nail polish. Clean and dry the area, fill the chip with a drop of polish using the brush applicator, let it cure, then apply a second coat. It seals out moisture and reduces the stress concentration that causes spreading. It is not a permanent repair, but it stops the damage getting worse while you decide on a proper fix. $2.10 is the cheapest windscreen insurance you will ever find. Do it the same day you notice the chip. Waiting always costs more. If any of these saved you a trip to the garage, hit like and subscribe right now so you never miss the next one. Drop a comment below telling us which hack surprised you the most and what car you drive. We read every single one. Click the next video because what is coming up next will change how you handle your next service appointment completely. You will never walk into a garage the same way again.